Hey, welcome back to your 10-day Yin Yoga Challenge. It's day 3, and in this session, we're going to be stretching out the shoulders and the neck to release any tension or tightness stored there. Now, as we do these stretches, you're welcome to sit cross-legged or in a kneeling position, or if you'd like to, you can even sit on a chair. Okay, just trust what feels good for you and go with that. So first we'll start with neck stretches here. So place your left palm on the right ear and begin to side bend to your left. Bringing the right shoulder down and just move your head forward and back. Relax your jaw. And observe your breathing. Okay, let's release and place your right palm on your left ear. As you side bend to the right, bring the left shoulder down, moving your head or neck forward and back. Just gentle, small movements here. Okay, just release the right palm down. So inhale, bring the chin up as you stretch the back of your neck. Exhale, bring your chin down. Inhale, look to your right shoulder. And exhale over to your left. Okay, just take your time to circle your neck. You can move slowly and observe all the little neck muscles and the sensations here. And now circle in the opposite direction. You're welcome to close your eyes if that feels good. Okay, and pausing here, we'll begin to roll the shoulders forward and then roll the shoulders back. Okay, now in your kneeling position, you're welcome to tuck the toes under here to stretch out your feet. Okay, if that feels uncomfortable, just untuck the toes. Okay, interlace the fingers behind your back, bring the shoulders back and chest out. Okay, maybe chin up. And observe any subtle or strong sensations here. If it's comfortable, raise the arms back and up a little bit more. And release here. So interlace the fingers together in front of you and bring the palms out. So push the palms away, dome your spine, bring your chin to chest, breathing in. And as you exhale, raise your arms up towards the sky, lengthen your spine, maybe arms behind your ears. Okay, and release. Okay, now let's bring the arms out. Okay, and as you bring the arms closer together, tuck your right arm under and over. Okay, maybe palms touch or not. Okay, if this is uncomfortable, place your palms on your shoulders. Okay, these are your eagle arms. Lengthen your spine. So inhale, maybe arch your spine, lift your elbows up towards the sky. Maybe you arch or back bend here. And then exhale, elbows towards your chest and begin to dome your spine. So again, inhale, lift your elbows up. Exhale, dome your spine. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, and then bring the arms out, swapping over, left arm under your right arm. Maybe palms touch or not, or maybe you place your palms on your elbows. Again, so inhale, lift the elbows up, chin up. And exhale, elbows towards your chest. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, so inhale. And exhale. Okay, just gently release the arms and just give it a shake. Shaking off any stagnant energy. We'll get the blood flowing. Okay, good. Now from here, let's do a cross shoulder stretch. So right arm over like this and bend your left elbow. So you may be feeling a stretch in the right shoulder. Relax your fingers. Relax your face. And release. This time left arm over, bend your right elbow. Okay, you may be feeling a stretch in the left shoulder. Okay, and release. So in any seated position here, I invite you to interlace the fingers together and place your palms on the back of your head. So bring your chest out and open the elbows wide. Lengthen your spine. Okay, and then gently release. Okay, and now we'll begin to press onto the sides of the ear. It's a great way to regulate your nervous system. Okay, so using your two fingers here, so you've got your thumb and your index finger. Okay, we're going to be pressing the ear. So let's start on the top of the ear. So press the fingers against each other and then pull the ear out, starting at the top of your ear. You can close your eyes and notice how this feels for you, and then move down along the sides or edges of the ear or ears. So press the fingers together and pull the ears out. Okay, moving slowly and with presence. Observe how this feels for you. And moving down the lobe of the ear. So press in and then press down or out. Okay, so what we're doing is we're pressing on acupressure points that support to regulate the nervous system, supporting us to feel more calm, relaxed, and at ease. It's a great exercise to do when you're feeling stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed. Okay, and now we'll move into open wing. Okay, so take your time now to lie down on your belly. Okay, and we'll start by stretching out your right arm like this. And you can play around with this. You might raise the arm up higher above the shoulder or below the shoulder. Okay, so right ear and right shoulder on the mat. Okay, bring your left leg back behind you, or maybe both feet on the floor. Okay, if you'd like to, you can place a cushion or pillow just underneath your head to support your neck. Okay, you may find that you don't need that, and that's fine. Just rest your head down. And just observe any subtle or strong sensations here. This is a great stretch to alleviate any tension or tightness in your chest, your shoulder, neck, and your jaw. Now take your time to roll over onto your belly, observing the difference in your right and left shoulder. Just remaining still for a moment. Okay, and now we'll begin to stretch the other side. Okay, so just stay where you are. You'll begin to extend your left arm out. Okay, so just explore the different hand placements here that give you the most effective stretch. Left shoulder and left ear down. Okay, option to bring the right leg back behind you or both feet on the floor. Okay, if you'd like to, you can even place a cushion or a pillow between your thighs, if that feels good. So according to traditional Chinese medicine, this pose stimulates the heart and the lung meridian channels. It stimulates blood and energy, to these organs, supporting blood flow, supporting you to breathe more effectively. Now, according to traditional Chinese medicine, when your lungs and your heart are out of balance, we can feel resentment, hate, sadness, and even depression. And vice versa, when we often feel these emotions, it can bring an imbalance to your lungs and your organs. When these organs are balanced, we're more likely to feel joy, fulfillment, love, forgiveness, and compassion. Even modern science now shows that emotions are stored in the body. And these yin, long-held stretches, are a great way to nourish these organs, bringing balance to these organs. Okay, just take your time now to roll over onto your belly, just observing the sensations here in your body. And take your time now to turn to one side. And take your time to sit upright into a comfortable pose. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.